if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and
masih di Berkembang ya. Kita hari ini berada di tapi agak jauh juga dari kota ya. Kita akan ngomjok ya, ada ini alat burung apa aja lah, ini lupa. Kita pengen tahu nih, nanti kita akan ngobrol bareng ownernya ya. Ini ada apa nih? Kerucukan. Nah.
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solutions, I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless. I feel diluted, my heart
Berkuku sama perkutut beda ya? Beda. Ah, ini ada ownernya nih. Oh, sini Bang Saidin. Gua pengen tahu nih jenis-jenis burung nih. Burung apa aja nih?
Ini ada ini nih. Ini yang agak hitam. Ini terkuku. Asli alam ini. Kalau yang ini puter. Yang putih puter. Puter ini ternaka.
Nggak ada di alam mungkin.
Kalau nggak ini udah di alam. Ini jog-jog. Ini yang lagi viral nih.
Viralnya gimana?
Jadi burung-burung menengah ke bawah udah ada di kontesan sekarang. Udah ada komunitas yang main terucuk.
Itu
Ini perkutut.
perkutut yang itu yang tadi
perkutut.
ini perkutut. Nih, perkutut.
Ini perkutut lokal.
Ini ternaka juga.
Kalau lokal enggak. Jaringan ini asli alam.
Oh, di alam. Oke, kita lanjut ke apa nih? Hah?
Apa namanya ini SRD? Apa?
Iya.
Terbaca apa? Cocok ya?
Iya.
Kena bandrol berapa nih SRDC?
Ya kalau bahan biasanya 150, kalau udah gacoran yang 400.
Nyebrang ya. Oke.
Banyak
Keren ya.
banget.
Ini banyak burung-burung unik nih. Ini apa nih? Unik juga
Ini
nih.
namanya Yuhina.
Yuhina. Menarik juga, banyak ada oranye. Jamu-jamu gitu ya. Makanannya apa pur? Ebe, saya. Ore. banyak sangkar-sangkar ada gerakan yang betul-betul dapat ada nih banyak di dalam gerakan aja yang betul datang aja langsung ke tempatnya Om Edin langsung. Oke, mungkin segitu saja dulu cerita gua kali ini. SIDAK bakul Omjokan. Terima kasih yang sudah menonton.
Nyari apa bang? Nyari burung gacoan ini. Ini master langken ini datang semua. Konsumen lagi Sahidin.
Ada.
Konten.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams into modestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. You're irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind, I gotta make it. I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this,